Promoting the Adcreative.ai affiliate program is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps. To begin, open Google Chrome and search for Adcreative.ai affiliate in the address bar. Then, click on the affiliate link that appears in the search results. Once on the affiliate page, select Become a Partner. Provide your first name, last name, email, business name, and links to your accounts, pages, and websites in the provided fields. Additionally, outline your strategy for driving traffic to Adcreative.ai. After filling out the information, submit your application. Next, create your partner's Stack account by setting a password and clicking on the Create Account button. Remember, it may take a few minutes to receive the email confirmation, so be patient. Once verified, copy the generated link for promotion. You can share this link across various platforms such as email, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and other social media channels to maximize your promotion efforts.